Struggling to make your Shopify store look professional and convert better? But Shopify only gives you about 15 default sections, and that makes your store look generic and limits your creativity. It's why you need OT, theme sections. Imagine unlocking 200 premium sections, templates, and blocks designed to highlight promos, tell your story, upsell, and build trust, all without coding. With one-click setup, just drag and drop directly inside your Shopify Theme Editor. No developers, no wait, and no bloated apps slowing down your store. Add conversion-focused sections to home pages, product pages, landing pages, blogs, and more, all optimized to keep customers engaged in buying. Replace slow, heavy apps with lightweight, high-performance sections that load faster and look stunning across devices. Don't let limited themes hold you back. Transform your storefront in minutes and turn visitors into customers faster.